We had significant cracking in both the floors and the walls. We needed to stabilize the foundation because we knew that if we did the fixing beforehand, it was just going to all crack all over again. I just got on the internet and started looking around. I started out with Foundation Repair near me. LRE was one of them, going through all the reviews, and just seemed like they had the better qualifications.
And I looked at the reviews too, are amazing reviews. Gave me more confidence in them. Kurt came out first. You know, he'd got on his hands and knees and looking at stuff, and but he really seemed to know what he was talking about, and did, because it matched up with when the workers came out too.
The very first crew, which was Matt and Cole, and they really knew what they were doing. You know, they were very friendly and had answers for everything that I had questions for.
And the second team was the foam guys. Everybody cleaned up after themselves. I was just impressed with that.
You can go with LRE because they're dependable. It was very, very good. Very good work.
Very good experience overall, and very pleased with the outcome.